Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, guys. Let's ask this question. Wouldn't it be nice if the Athari divide is just a difference of opinion? You know, it would have been nicer if it was like just a difference of opinion. Just like in the fiqh issue, just like you have the four schools. The four schools disagree with each other, but everyone sees this like, it's okay. It's just an opinion, right? What if Akida too was like that? At least the Ashari and Athari, because they have a lot in common, like Sunni, they're not Shia, and stuff like that. So, wouldn't it be nice if it was just difference of opinion? But no, it's an issue of deviancy, such that anyone you pick, you're a deviant to the other person. So me, I'm like, okay, what's going on? And by the way, I was listening to one lecture from Dr. Yasir Qadi, where he was actually explaining that it wasn't always this nice, even between the four schools. It wasn't always nice like that. It's under a particular caliph that brought all of them together in a way. So historically, the unity of the idea of the four schools are okay is not actually the way it started. Such that, for example, let me give you a good example. Imam Abu Hanifa's school, they were termed the Imam Ahmad, Imam Shafi. They were different from the Imam Abu Hanifa's school, and they criticized them that they were using their own opinion. So they called them Al-Rai. So the Hanafi madhab, in the beginning, they didn't like it. They refuted it. Basically, they refuted it really. So I'm trying to show you that. What's it called? Akida, at least between the Ashari and Athari, Maturidi stuff. Wouldn't it be nice if it was just difference of opinion? But no, it's deviance. And since you've made it a case of deviance, people are going to choose either side. Whether they use reason, they are going to come to any conclusion that it leads them to, or they just choose it arbitrarily. And you have an endless amount of polemics. That's what you see online. I just saw one brother recently. He tried to make a video, let me teach you Athari Akida series. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Don't do that. If you're trying to be neutral, don't try to teach people Akida, because they already know that's exactly what they're rejecting. Okay? If you try to teach them, they'll just be like, what is the point? So me, I think this is unhelpful, and I've made a lot of videos about this. And I think the best way to go is let's stop the polemics at first. Once the polemics stop and we make it a case of just a difference of opinion, once we do that, you will see that people will start reasoning much more confidently, and they will not just be scared, I'm choosing the wrong one, because you end up choosing one at the end of the day, or you choose none, which by the way some other scholars are saying. So let me see what you guys think. Do you think, you personally, is a difference of opinion, or is it a case of deviancy? Ask yourself that question. If you think it's a difference of opinion, fine. It's just a theory, just like fiqh, right? But if you think it's a case of deviancy, you are a deviant to a particular group of people. So if you're Ashari, you're a deviant to the Atharis. And if you're Athari, don't feel confident. You're also a deviant to the Asharis. So is that what you want? Is that the way you want to go? You want to be a deviant ultimately? So I think we should stop the polemics and just do real metaphysics, man. Let's do real metaphysics and talk clearly, and not just couch it up in this kind of hellfire rhetoric that people are just scared to just pick one side. And you will see like a student of knowledge, or what I would say, I'll actually make a video about this. Are you a student of knowledge or a parrot of knowledge? What do I mean by parrot of knowledge? Someone that is just parroting what is heard. This is what they said here. This is what this guy said. This is what that guy said. Is that what you are? Or you're a student of knowledge? Someone that is critical and analytical in his reasoning, trying to take people seriously. If you're that, you will see like what I'm saying makes sense. You will start to take other people's position more seriously. You will listen to them and give them the benefit of doubt. And then it doesn't mean you can agree, but at least you will not be too polemical like these crazy people you see online, shouting and as if they are not some kind of deviant to other people. So let me see what you guys think about this. See you guys later. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.